welcome back to our channel. I wanted to give y'all a little camper tour while it's fresh in the driveway, nothing in it. It is a Jayco Jayflight 174BH. It has the Baja package on it, which means the axles are flipped. It's a little higher off the ground, has the bigger propane tank, the bigger tanks overall, like the gray and the black and the freshwater, all bigger tanks than just the normal model of this Jayflight. It doesn't have any slides. I have a tankless hot water heater, so instant heat on your showers. Just typical RV stuff, your power. It is solar prepped, so it's wired for solar, but it does not have the solar panel on it yet. Battery and propane tank. As you can see, Chris has put his little solar panel there. He's trickle charging the battery. Manual tongue jack, manual stabilizers. This one also came with 4 stabilizers, so 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I know the other model just had 2 in the back, so that was something that we wanted too. These are also the rock solid stabilizers. I had to pause y'all for a second. There was a pretty big truck coming by. So here's the front storage. It does not go all the way through. It also can be accessed from underneath the bed. I'll show y'all that in a second, but it's very nice because it has these magnetic type holders instead of the clips. So we really like that. Came with the sturdy steps, also really like that. So you're, when you're stepping up, you're touching the ground. We've got some outdoor speakers, and I think our awning is 10 foot. And we do have some LED lights under that as well. Have some outlets out here, and yeah, just overall really sleek looking. The 23s have the new front cap. I like that smooth finish and those dark colors that they came out with instead of the white front cap from last year. Not a ton going on back here. We got the spare tire, backup camera ready or prepped. It is a walk-on roof. I love the mountain decals on the back. And yeah, they have lights on the side that work with your turn signal and your brake, so that's super helpful when you're going down the road. Other people can see where you're going and if you're turning. So if you want side cameras, that's also an option. So yeah, let's go in. I have not done a thing to it yet. We did get the sheet, plugged it up this morning, turned the air on. It is freezing in here, and I think we have it on low too. As you can see, it's like 56 degrees in here. This AC unit I know is a 13,500 BTU. It's a queen size bed, and it really is spacious because you have this back wall that kind of curves in. So you can really utilize all this space. See if I can show y'all the under storage of the bed. Like I said, this one you can access from outside too. And Chris is gonna put that on struts. So we already have a list of stuff that we want to do. It has a little netting storage up here, overhead storage, and they're pretty deep too. They go all the way to the front cap wall, and then you have these manual push lights here. So over here you have your lights, your awning light, and your panel for your tanks to see, you know, if they're full, and then your awning in and out. So I'm just gonna turn these on. That turns on these lights here. So here is our awning lights. And I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with the awning out. So cute. It is prepped for solar. So when we do add our panel, cut this out, it's got a little grid for you to put your little thing that you control your solar panel with. There's USB ports everywhere, outlets everywhere. Love that the windows are on both sides of the bed, so you can have it cross breeze. Table area is so nice. It has storage under this seat. This folds down, you put the cushions over it, this becomes a bed. It has overhead storage here, and then it is built-in radio. So I think this has Bluetooth as well, so you can play your own music through the speakers, and there's speakers inside here in the ceiling. You've got one over here by the bed, and then kind of in the hallway area, if you want to call it that. The kitchen area, I think my son was playing in here. Yep, there's this little toy. Lots of storage, as you can see. There was some in there. Lots underneath the sink. I like that they went smaller on the sink, so I have more area space over here. And I don't know about y'all, but I hardly ever use this, so I plan to cover that with something like maybe a butcher block or something like that. Has a little storage up here, another outlet up there. That's cool to know. It's for the microwave, and then more outlets here. I think you can use this space. It doesn't say it's backed for a TV, but like if you had a small standing one, you could hook it up there. Then we have a really kind of like a drawer, pretty big for anything. And then our furnace is down there. Our refrigerator. Here's our bunks. Now this bunk has some storage underneath. And so does the queen bed. There's just storage everywhere in this thing. This window does not open. This one does down here. And then they all have their own light and USB ports for charging anything and everything you can think of. Oh, this one has a power outlet. So here is the bathroom. Standard RV, you know, pedal toilet there. Love that they gave us a little toilet paper holder. This is the hot water heater controller, so you can see how hot your water is. Cute little mirror. Nice shower and skylight. Love the fixtures that they put in this unit, like all the little black finishes. And a bathtub. They just added this feature this year of line in the shower, which I totally love. And I plan on getting, Amazon has like these stick-on RV sinks for smaller RVs that don't have sinks in the bathroom. I know we want to do some updates, so we'll share all of that as we go. We want to do the IKEA blackout shades. Right now there are the just typical RV style pool blinds. Yeah, absolutely love this camper. We sold our fifth wheel a couple of years ago. It was a 42-foot monster of a fifth wheel. So this is total new territory to us with this little thing, but it is so cute and perfect for what we're wanting to do. Just something that gets us out and camping and traveling again. And I've already done a huge Walmart haul on organization for this thing. So I thought I'd show y'all our first Walmart haul for the camper. We did go to Harbor Freight this morning and pick up some chocks and the surge protector so we could plug it into the house. But we got a memory foam topper for the bed, a mattress protector, some RV toilet paper. These cute little baskets were on sale in the clearance aisle. So I grabbed those for organization. What do they call it? Stinky Slinky. The sewer hose. And we've never had one of these before. But it's basically a cap for your back bumper. So you can put that in. This cap screws into that too, so you don't have to touch any of it. Water filter. Games, of course. These are so cute. Little cookie cutters. The power analyzer. This is like to check your RV power source thing. Like, you always want to check your power at your RV camping spot before you plug in your camper. So that's to make sure their outlet is good. A tool to lower the jacks, probably quicker. Water pressure regulator, and my butcher block that I got for this area. And it's really nice. It has some grippies on the bottom, so it's not going to slide around. That fits perfectly over that. I don't usually use the stove, so I just wanted to add some extra counter space, so that's going to be perfect. Got a flash one. Always got to use one of those. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now.
If you'd like to follow us on our journey, please subscribe.